Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Today I have a great tip to share with you about new embossing folders. So have you ever had a new embossing folder that embosses so deep it actually tears your cardstock like this? Yes, sometimes that happens. If you've never run into this problem, good for you. But if you have, what do you do about it? Well, I recently saw a tip that was shared where you would take a piece of our vellum cardstock and you're just going to add it to the inside of the front cover. So you'll find the Stampin' Up logo here and you're going to add it right to the back side of that. And I'm just going to put a little piece of tape on here to keep this in place. And then when you run that cardstock through, it's not going to give it such a deep impression. Let's give it a try. Oh, look, I've got brand new plates today. Oh, it's just like opening up like a brand new Versamark ink pad that looks all pristine. And now what you're gonna find is this is not gonna tear like the other one did. And I didn't hardly touch this and it tore. So I'm gonna leave the vellum cardstock inside my embossing folder so that I can use this for many more times of embossing. Then once it's kind of, completely destroyed, because you can see that it's getting a very deep impression here. But once it's completely destroyed, I will take this out and see how my embossing folder is working then. And I don't think I'll continue to have this problem. It's just something that happens once in a while with a brand new folder. I hope my tip has been helpful for you today. I have lots of tip videos on my YouTube channel. Click down here to subscribe to it. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. You can also click right up here. That'll take you right to my blog where you'll find lots of great projects. You'll find more tip videos there. If you would like to place an order, please use this host code. And if you don't have a current Stampin' Up demonstrator, I would love to earn your business. Just pop me an email at kelly@stampabove.com. I'd be happy to mail you the current catalogs. Thanks so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Bye-bye.